Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. My name is Pramod Kumar. Today we will discuss class 8 general knowledge part 17. So let's start this video. Conservative activities. Conservative activities. Many human activities causes environmental degradation. Some individuals and organizations try to prevent this and preserve the environment. Some of these environment movement and organizations are given below. Name them. First, a protest against building a very large dam over India's one of the main rivers. This will lead to displacement of thousands of tribals and submersion of many hectares. The name of this movement Narmada Bachao Andolan. Narmada Bachao Andolan. Second, an Indian institution which carry out research in the field of environment and related problem. Means an Indian institution which carry out research in the field of environment and related problem. The name of this institute Tata Energy Research Institute. Tata Energy Research Institute. Third, this campaign was founded by Lady Donwin. It works against the abuse of animals for various purposes like vivisections, cosmetics, and every trade, etc. Means the name of this campaign Beauty Without Cruelty. Beauty Without Cruelty. The campaign was founded by Lady Dowding. Question number 4. This is an international organization. It protects against environmental problems in non-violent manner. Nuclear testings, walling, bottom traveling, etc. are in the main targets. The name of this Greenpeace movement, Greenpeace, means protect against the environmental problem in non-violent manner like nuclear testing, wallings, etc. Fifth, this organization fit for the right of wild animals to remain in the wild. This was started by Bill Travel. Means this organization fight for the rights of the wild animals to remain in the wild. The organization name is Born Free Foundation. Born Free Foundation. Question number 6. This organization gives money to programs in different countries to conserve biological diversity. Biological diversity. WWF, Worldwide Fund of Nature. WWF, Worldwide Fund for Nature. Renowned authors. Take the correct options. First, the novel Nirmala is written by. The novel Nirmala is written by option A Premchand, Sharat Chandra, option C Bankim Chandra. The correct option Premchand. Nirmala is written by Munshi Premchandra. A option is correct. Second, the popular story Usne Kaha Tha is by option A Neeraj, option B Chandradhar Sharma Guleri, option C Rajnikant. The correct option B Chandradhar Sharma Guleri. The popular story Usne Kaha Tha written by Chandradhar Sharma Guleri. Third, Ramdhari Singh Dinkar was a famous Hindi writer. He got Gyanpith Puraskar for option A Abha, option B Urvashi, option C Shikha. Correct option B Urvashi. Ramdhari Singh Dinkar was famous Hindi writer. He got Gyanpith Puraskar for Urvashi. Question number 4. This great poet wrote two great epic poem of ancient Greece, the Iliad and Odyssey? The poet's name is option A Aristotle, option B Homer, option C Plato. Correct option B Homer. Question number 5th. A political fables based on the story of the Russian revolutions and its betrayals by Joseph Stalin is Animal Farm, Wuthering Heights या Pictures of Dorian Gray. Correct option A Animal Farm. Question number 6. This poet wrote two long works, War and Peace and Anna Karenina. His name is option A Leo Tolstoy, George Orwell, C Alexander. The correct option A Leo Tolstoy. Question number 7. Geoffrey Chaucer's greatest poetic work is option A The Canterbury Tales, Macbeth या Ulysses. Correct option A The Canterbury Tales. Here do you know the film Mother India was directed by Mahboob. This movie won Academy Award. Mother India director Mahboob. Precious stones. Gemstones are great value in our daily life. Apart from adding to the beauty, they are believed to direct and decide our destiny. People wear different types of stones for same reason. Some stones are draw below and recognize them using the help box. Means gemstones are very great value in our daily life. Apart from adding to the beauty, and they are believed to direct and decide our destiny. So here people wear different types of stones for the same reason. So here discuss. First, this one the ruby. Second figure, emerald. Third, turquoise. And fourth, pearl. I repeat again. First figure, the diamond names, precious stone names, ruby. Second stone, emerald. Third stone's name, turquoise. And fourth, pearl. Precious stones. Fifth, diamond. Sixth, topaz. Seventh, sphere. And eighth, amber. I repeat again. Fifth stone, diamond. Sixth stones, topaz. Seventh stone, sphere. And eighth, amber. Means these are the very precious and costly stones which are different people wear for different purpose, because some will find out this is decide destiny. Means different types of people wear different types of stones for different purpose. So someone use for jewelry and someone wear for decide for our destiny. So this is very precious stones like diamond, topaz, spheres, amber, and here ruby, pearls, tortoise. All of these are precious stones and very costly also. Means apart from adding to the beauty, and they are believed to direct and decide our destiny. People wear different types of stones for the same reason, for destiny, for beauty. So this is very costly and precious also. Hopefully all students understands all content of this video. If you face any problem, contact my personal number, and each and every students write on your copy and learn them. Thank you.